friends and students, welcome back once again. So in today's video, or rather in a class, we will do a small project. Like it's a very small project, but very important also. So here in this project, we will assemble and also understand working of relay module. Okay. You can see here on your screen on left hand side below, there is a relay module. But I want that instead of using that relay module, can we make those relay module on a breadboard or on a PCB? So that we are going to study three circuits. So one is we'll make a relay module circuit that is 5-volt relay with optocoupler. Right? I will tell you what is optocoupler, or we call it as an opto oscillator. Okay. So, and in the second circuit, we will discuss about relay module without optocoupler using only NPN transistor. And the third circuit, we will use, instead of NPN, we will use a PNP PNP transistor, and that is although without optocoupler. So these three circuits we will make, and I will show it to you. Right? So I will just show you how it triggers. That means how we can operate. Like you can say this yellow color on this LED is in off condition. Off means what? The relay is in off condition. And if you trigger it, then it comes to on condition. Okay. Right. So first of all, we will see how it works and all. I will just show you. So our project name is single channel relay module working and assembling guide. Okay. Right. So this will be used in so many projects. Please remember. Okay. First. Okay. So this is the first one. You can see you have a circuit. I will share. Definitely, I will share this circuit also with you. Okay. So I have used optocoupler, relay, NPN transistor, one flyback diode of that is IN407, and few resistors. And of course, for indication purpose, I have used the LEDs also. So this, yeah, I have this thing. You can see what is relay. Relay has 5 points. On the bottom, you can see there are 3 points are for switch and 2 points are for coil. In the circuit also, you can see the same transistor and optocoupler. Optocoupler is what? It looks like a 4-pin chip. Okay. One side is a LED diode and other side is a transistor. It is the phototransistor, we call it as. Okay. So 3 and 4 is a phototransistor. 1 and 2 is a diode. It is inside a pack. That is, it will be inside a pack. That now suppose I'm giving high to the optocoupler. Right. So this is the optocoupler number 1. I'm giving high. Right. As we have seen in the circuit. Because if you give high means what? It approximately 1 to 1.7. So if I give I'm just giving it to the 1.7, you can see what is the changes. Okay. So it has on. This light has come. That means it is on now. Okay. Right. This was off. This is on. Okay. So this is, I'm giving through this to 1K resistor. It is going to pin number 1. Then after that, pin number 3 is going to the base of the transistor. This is 547 transistor. So you have to understand that. Yeah. So high, low. So this is switching. So this it will take this 2 resistors I have used here. You can see here 2 resistors I have used here. 4.7K from supply and 4.7K from ground. Okay, that will divide it. So this is high. This is high, low, high, low, high, low. So this is with the optocoupler. Okay. So this is with the optocoupler. This is the relay which has 5 points. We have already, you can check on the schematic diagram. Okay. Now in this circuit, you can see the only difference is we have taken out the optocoupler. That is, there is no optocoupler. On the breadboard, we have put relay, same. The LEDs, everything will be there. Everything will be same. Only I have taken out the optocoupler. How does it work? We'll see. Right? This is the very simple circuit. Nothing. Only optocoupler has been made. That means the input will directly go to the base of the transistor. Right? The circuit, second circuit, you can see the same, everything is same. I have taken out the optocoupler. Okay, the optocoupler is here. Okay, so this optocoupler we have taken out, and this input I am given directly to the base of the transistor. What transistor? Same transistor, BC547 transistor. Okay, emitter is grounded, collector is going to the relay, another end of the relay is going to the supply. Okay, so this yellow light indicates that it is an off condition. That is, it is connected to NC, right? We have to switch it on to NO. This is connected to NO. So again, I will just do the same thing. I will just put it on and I will just show it to you. You see, you can, now it is on NO, correct? So this is NC and this is NO, okay? This is on, off, on, off, on, off. So what I'm doing, please remember, I have only taken out the optocoupler, right? And transistor is same, everything is same. I've given positive supply. This is the positive supply, which is going to the input, the base. Okay, positive. This is positive. Okay. How much it is? What is the voltage? Positive voltage approximately 1.5 to 1.7. Right? It is more than 1, in between 1 and 2. That you have to keep it in mind. Okay. So that voltage I'm giving. Again, I'm doing it off, on, off, on. Okay. So this, according to circuit, we have made it. So same circuit, only we have changed, we have removed the opto. Now, third circuit. What is the circuit like? Correct. So in the schematic diagram, you can see we are discussing the third one, right? What is the third circuit? It is here we have used a PNP transistor. You can see here we have used a PNP transistor. Okay, this is PNP transistor. So what will be the difference? I will just tell you. Okay, everything is same. Only we have changed the PNP transistor. Previously we have used NPN transistor. Now we are using PNP transistor. That is BC558. You can see here 5-volt relay is same. Only sorry, this is NPN. This is PNP actually. It is by mistake. It is written NPN. I will change it. Please remember it is a PNP. BC558 is a PNP transistor. Flyback same. Everything will be same. Now we will see what happens, and finally we'll decide which circuit is the best and where you will use that circuit. Okay. So we will just go to that particular part. Just a second. All right. So now we have replaced the transistor. Okay. Previously it was NPN transistor. I have put a PNP transistor. Please remember, previously the transistor was like this. Okay, like this. The flat surface. That means emitter, center is base, and this side is yeah. The left side is emitter, and this side is collector, and center is base. Okay. Now what I did is I have reversed it. Right? That means in PNP transistor, according to the circuit, so emitter is supply. Emitter is supply. Okay, please remember. And collector will be grounded. So I have reversed the transistor. Base is same. So I have reversed the transistor. Now please watch. Now previously in NPN transistor, what we did, this point, that is input point, we gave it to the supply. Okay. Now I'm giving it to the supply. That is 1.5. There is no change at all. Please see this. Okay. There is the light doesn't come. The triggering is not happening. That is, the switching is not happening. Okay, right. So what we have to do is, in this case, whenever your input wants 0, when from the microcontroller of the input, that is this point, input, when it is 0, then only it will trigger. So PNP transistor base, when it is 0 volts, then it will trigger. Now you are getting more voltage on the base. So what I will do is, we just watch it. This other point is ground. So I will just touch it to that. You can see I'm just touching it to the ground. So now it is switched on, off. So what I did actually, this base of the transistor is getting 0. That means it is getting low. Okay. So that's why we have to understand this particular point. Now we'll have a comparison. Okay. So this is low, and you can just see this is low. Yeah, I'm not in previous case we have given supply, positive supply here. Now we have given 0 to this. Okay. So NPN, NPN, exactly reverse. NPN, you will give base will be positive. PNP, base is when this will work when the base is 0. So according to your requirement of your project, you can design your circuit. That is the idea why I am telling you this. So if you have liked it, please share. Please try it yourself so that you will learn or you will get more interest in this. Please write comments also and please subscribe to my channel. The conclusion is, as you can see, it's written on the screen. With optocoupler, best for isolation and protection, right? Without optocoupler, that is when we use NPN transistor, simple but risky for microcontroller. That means when you give the input, no, that time, whatever it is connected to the input, that part becomes risky. It can be a microcontroller or any other circuit also, right? NPN transistor, common choice for relay switching. Please remember, maximum time we will use NPN transistor only. PNP transistor used when the logic require active low control. Active low. Just now I told you when we connect it to ground, then only it works. So PNP transistor will work when logic low is there. NPN transistor, logic high. But what is the conclusion? Which circuit, the first one, the second one, the third one, which is the best? The best is the isolation protection. That is with the optocoupler. I hope you understood this and you can try, you can make the circuits, you can do it by yourself. You do not purchase the complete unit. You can do it by yourself. It will be a good idea for all the students. I hope you understand. Thank you for watching and please share your comments and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.